Hello friends, I'm Nanny Julie and today we are gonna draw Ariel. Let's look at the picture of our Little Mermaid. We can see big kawaii head, long beautiful hair, body, mermaid tail, arms and shell crown. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, body, arms, tail and shell crown. Okay, let's start. Sometimes I draw too fast, so if you need extra time, you can always pause the video. The first step we are gonna draw is Ariel's head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will draw it over here in the middle. We are gonna draw a circle for head. A circle. The next step is her hair. We will start by drawing two curved lines, one to the right, the second to the left. Okay, then draw two dots for her eyes, the first and the second. Now let's draw her smile, U shape in the middle. Okay, great. Ariel has roses in her cheeks. Draw C shape on the right side and backward C shape on the left side. Okay, very cute. Now let's draw a shell crown. We will draw 6 rainbow shape on the top of her hair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now let's draw 2 short lines in each shell. Follow along with me. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, that's enough. Then we will draw a neck. We are gonna draw 2 lines underneath her head. Okay, then we will draw a rectangle for her body. Draw straight horizontal line for her shoulders. Then we are gonna draw 2 straight vertical lines on each side. And let's connect them with a line. Okay, good job. Now let's draw Ariel's arms. Straight diagonal line on the left side. And the same line on the right side. And ovals for her palms. Okay, then we will draw mermaid tail. We are gonna draw S line on the left side. It starts over here and comes down. Okay, well done. Then let's draw right side of her tail. We are gonna draw a sideways rainbow line. It starts over here, comes down and connects with the bottom of S line. Okay, that's really cute. Then let's draw tail fins. We're gonna draw 4 curved lines. Follow along with me. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Good, I like it. Okay, now let's finish her long, beautiful hair. G shape on the left side and G shape on the right side and connect them with a curve. Please don't forget that it goes behind the tail. Okay, wow, your Little Mermaid is so cute. Now let's color her to make her even more beautiful. You can choose any color you like. I use violet for her hair. Okay, yellow for shell crown. And her tail and body. And pink for her cheeks. Wow, you did awesome on coloring and drawing, Ariel. You can be super proud of your drawing. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you had a lot of fun drawing and coloring with me. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new lesson. See you next time. Bye bye.